Welcome to 5236 Crus Corvi Road. I cannot wait to show you all the beautiful updates they made on the interior of this home. But while we're outside, I wanted to point out the 2-year-old architectural grade roof that was installed, and you won't have to worry about that for years to come. So as you can see, not only did they do a great job with the cosmetic upgrades throughout this home, all new laminate wood flooring all throughout the home. They resurfaced the cabinets in the kitchen and put in new countertops, all new poles, new kitchen sink, faucet, all new lighting throughout the entire home. In addition to the things that you cannot see that are just as important or maybe even more important in my opinion, brand new furnace, brand new air conditioner, brand new ductwork, and electrically they put all new can lighting throughout the home. So not only is this home beautiful, but it's going to be maintenance free for a long time. It truly is a move-in ready home. One of my favorite features about this home is that there's vaulted ceilings throughout, and this really great loft can be used as either office space, reading room, or even a playground. It really is up to whatever you want it to be. So don't miss out on a wonderful opportunity to see this move-in ready home. So click the link, have your realtor get an appointment. If you don't have a realtor, get in touch with me. I'm more than happy to set up an appointment and bring you through this beautiful home.